Welcome to the advanced appliance technology of Sears, where you'll find great day after Thanksgiving deals on America's #1 brand. For example, this Kenmore 3.5 cubic foot front-load washer features a built-in heater that gradually heats water inside the washer drum for improved stain removal and sanitation. Smart. And there's more smart where that came from, including a smart motion technology that creates customized care and cleaning cycles to meet the needs of each fabric type. That's not all. This washer's cold clean cycle offers improved energy efficiency without compromising cleaning performance, using a cold water wash to clean as effectively as a warm water wash while using 43% less energy. How cool is that? Its dryer partner is equally impressive. The Kenmore 7.3 cubic foot electric dryer features a dual-coated steel drum for improved fabric care, and it's NSF certified, able to reduce 99.9% of microorganisms in every tumble dry. No wonder germs squirm. Find special Black Friday deals on these and other amazing Kenmore advanced technology appliances only at Sears.